Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram camera isn't working. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, go back to your home screen. So guys, the process is very simple. So first of all, open up app settings here and then scroll it down. Here you can see app management, so tap it and then tap on app settings and then search for Instagram. Yep, here it is. And then tap on permissions. So after that you will see this type of interface. So allow all options here. First of all, open up location and allow this, and then open up microphone and allow this, and then open up camera and allow this, and check whether a problem has been fixed or not. So guys, as you can see, it's working now. So that's it guys for today video. If you have to like, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.